बच्चों. So the given question says that specify how a pentose phosphate is a CO2 acceptor in dark reaction of photosynthesis. Okay, so here in this question we need to clarify that how a pentose phosphate is a CO2 acceptor in the dark reaction of photosynthesis. So if we talk about the dark reaction of the photosynthesis, dark reaction, which is also known as C3 cycle, which is also known as Melvin-Calvin cycle, because it is called C3 cycle because the first form product was a 3 carbon compound called so because the first formed product of this cycle the first formed product of this cycle is a 3 carbon compound and hence the name C3 cycle was given. Okay, now why is it called Melvin-Calvin cycle? Because it was discovered by scientist Melvin, was discovered by Melvin-Calvin. Hence, the name Melvin's Calvin cycle was given in the honor of these two scientists. Okay. Now, why is it called dark reaction? It is called dark reaction because it's a light independent reaction. It's a light independent reaction. Hence, it is called dark reaction. Okay. Now, let us have a brief view over C3 cycle. So, as it is also mentioned in the question that phosphate ribose 1,5 phosphate is a substance. It's a 5 carbon substance. It is a 5 carbon compound, and this for the first time RUBP, it is also called as RUBP, accept CO2 for the first time. CO2 accepted this product, this substance accepts CO2 and form a 3 carbon compound which is called as 3 phosphoglycerate, or also known as 3PGA, 3 phospho since this is a 3 carbon compound which is getting formed when a 5 carbon compound and one molecule of carbon dioxide is combining, then there should be two molecules of 3-phosphoglycerate be formed to balance the number of carbon. From here the 5 carbon, 1 carbon from here would totally be 5 carbon plus 1 carbon will give you 6 carbons. So 5 carbons would be from RUBP, that is ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate, it is 1,5 bisphosphate, add bis over here, okay, and 1 carbon is from CO2 molecule, and 6 carbon compound, that means 3 PGA molecules. PGA stands for phosphoglycerate. This is PGA. Okay, so 2 into 3 is 6. This will give you a 6 carbon compound, and hence we can say that pentose phosphate, that means ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate is a pentose phosphate. That means a phosphate of 5 carbon. A pentose phosphate is the acceptor of CO2 in the dark reaction, hence proved. Hope it helps. Thank you. All the best.